Hey all, I hope all are safe during this pandemic period. During these days, we have become more lazier than earlier, right? That is, have you ever dreamed of having a substitute of your human arm motions? Okay, so for this, we batch 2 presents a solution. So myself Ardra Saji and my teammates Abhinav SP, Aishwarya DK and Chanti Vaishak presents a project before you. That is the human motion imitating a robotic arm. So our robotic arm will imitate all the possible X and Y motions of your human arm. And also we know the very importance of the robots in this present world. That is, in which all situations where the human arms can't be reached, there we will get the robotic services. So for that, we can use our robotic arm too. That is, after doing some more modifications in this current project, we can use this robotic arm to pick an object too. So that in a future cases, if in any needy cases happening in which we, the human arms, can't be reached, we can use our robotic arm to pick or to move something. And our robotic arm will move as your human arm moves. That is, to the front, to the back, or to the left, right, or whatever directions your arm moves, to that same direction our robotic arm will also move. Now we can look the various components which were used to make this robotic arm and also how this robotic arm will work.
Hi all, I am here to say about the components that we have used in our project. On the transmitter side, we have used a Node MCU, an MPU 6050, a switch, an LED and a 9-watt battery. On the receiver side, we have used another Node MCU, an SG90 servo motor and power supply.
So now we'll see how it works. Here we are using the sensor MPU 6050. It is a sensor in which both the gyroscope as well as accelerometer has been incorporated. And here we'll take only the accelerometer values, and this MPU 6050 has been fitted in a wearable part in which we'll get the values from our arm, and this value is being sent to the other through Node MCU, like how we'll do in a connecting a Wi-Fi, and these values is been sent to the other one in which a servo motor has been connected. So from one end, from the human arm, the value is being transferred to the other end where the servo motor is there, that is which is in the robotic arm, and this servo motor will rotate the same. So this is how it works. That is, from the human arm, the value is being noted down, and accordingly the servo motor in the other end, that is in the robotic arm, will rotate.
Our human motion imitating robot prototype has been completed successfully. Now a man who controls robot can pick, lift and drop the object using robot's arm with his hand. Communication between wearable device of sensors and robot is done successfully using radio transmitter and receiver. The main application of our project are we can lift heavy object with less effort, and it can be used for picking toxic or hot materials without direct touch of workers. We can easily sort heavy materials and also help us to work on toxic atmosphere workspace without going there.